Hi, this is Resilient Kenlau. In this video, I will share with you how to calculate or how to clean up the PERKESO Kada Jadwa. So you just type PERKESO Jadwa in Google and you click on the first item and you should get a list of this. So you can copy this and put it into Excel, and of course you can also do it with the Power Query. So if you have that, otherwise just copy and paste it, that will do. I just want to show you that it's possible to do this. And you go to here, you copy this link, come back here, paste it, click OK, and go to the look at which table you want to look at. You see that this is the table, and that's referring to this. Okay, the web view table will be this. So yes, I want the first one, maybe the second. What's that? This is another table. Oh, this is Octa 800. So apparently that this website has uh, three table. This is another one. This is under car insurance system. Oh, this EIS. This is the insurance brokerage, and this one is the customer social. This is SOCSO. Yeah, this is SOCSO. So yeah, we're going to go for. You can actually have few, but I just go for the first one. If you want a few, you can select this item and choose the one you want. Okay, I'll just go for first one, and I click transform. I'm gonna just load it first. Just load it. Show you what it means then. So we have this information here. See that RM 1.10. Now this information is not ready for doing some further analysis. So and then here margin will be 30 and theta will be, and you see that here you need to actually clean it up. But to clean it up at the moment, the idea would be just copy this and paste it here, and hopefully that we can just double click and get it. No, it doesn't work that way. Maybe I'll get another one, copy and paste it here. Would it work then? All right, maybe no, it's not. It's just a normal autofill, but this is not the right one. So you see that it is not possible to do that. Maybe you add some function, you can do that, right? But that's not what we want. Okay, let's just undo it. Control Z, Control Z, 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 okay, and do Z. That's the original table. So now what we do is that we have a table that's given a name called table, but I can change that to table PERKESO. Next, I go to data tab. But this one was already a table, so yeah, we just go through. Click from table range. This is Power Query. Yeah, so let's look at this here. Okay, so I have some value here. So I should have a value that can extract the number. So maybe I just first go for remove the RM. So I right click and I just say I'll remove that. Okay, let's just try that. Yeah, I can just replace the value here. Okay, increase the RM. So RM, replace it with nothing. Oh yeah, that's great. Oh, in fact, I have so many, right? I can just type all of them. Right click, replace value. Again, RM, and then send as well. And okay, again, right click, replace value, send, click OK. Okay, that's great. And how about here? Here, what if I want to extract the 30 ringgit? You know, that is sometimes really think about it. Can I just extract the number? Tidak melebihi. Tidak melebihi. I think this is very good. It's just that, can I just replace some? Okay, let me just replace the RM first, right? And just replace the value. So RM, nothing. So we got numbers. So there's a 30 and so on numbers. This comma. If I can just replace that number, would be great. Replace value of comma. If nothing, all right. So now I only use the replace. And what I want to show you is that uh, in any solution, we need to try it out ourselves. And you still need to go through that step to become an expert in any area. I tried it out, and after that I do some research, and I try again, and by trying you will discover something new. So you can see the journeys become will be the same. Why is it there are two columns here? Let's look at the original. Why there's two columns? There should be two columns there. Okay, this is share again. This is Gaji Pulana. Okay, there is something that is we can go split column, but there is something that is called by digit to non-digit. You can see that right here, right? Split column. I remember that is this by digit to non-digit. By non-digit to digit. Let's just try that for a moment. See what you get. We actually got 50. No, we got 30, and then 50. But that's the original one. But what is that you call? It's called the table. The M language is about splitter, split text character transition, and that is not contained. So we use the split text by character transitions to do that, and that is split column, something like that. But we will explore that. We'll explore that more in the later on, because now we have this. But so maybe I'll just duplicate this. Okay, duplicate this column. At the moment, I just duplicate the column. There are other ways as well, but I just go for, I want to duplicate another one. Add 2 times. Okay, so right click here, split column by non-digit to column. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, you can see the origin is 30 to 50, and this become numbers. And I think now we just need to do one more time. Split column, digit to non-digit. All right, looks like I got a 30, and it's about the same. So I can just hold out a control key, select this item, this item. I don't need to right click and move column, and right click this, move to the beginning, and we have that this 30, 40, 60, 50, 50, 70, 70, just double check that, and that's 4,000, 4,000, and so on. You see that? Okay, so now I don't need this. Right click and remove it, and this one I can click and drag it to here, and I think that's about it. Let's just click and close and load, and it will load to a new table, and we just successfully clean some data, and only that this is not 10 ringgit, it's just a cents, right? So we can still find ways to make it into something, what is it? Something more automated if you want to. Right? This is cents. So I will just do manually because it's only a few items. Of course, this can be done. What do you call that? Automatic also. We just need to find a way. At the moment, I don't have the way. I'll just use the normal, and this is manageable with just manual type. So not everything must be automated. Of course, you can if you know the way. and do share your method if you know the way. Yeah. So I'll just put there 0.0, and this one is 0.95 cent, and this 0.85 cent, and this 0.85 cents, and this one is also 0.0. Okay, this is the number bilangan share marketing jenis pertama jenis kedua. Let's highlight them here. Okay, and these are all. If you can see, there is some error here. It says that store number store as text. You should be converted to numbers. Okay, so we will just highlight all this. So you can see there's a lot of them here. So highlight them. Click on this. Go to number, and same goes for here. Highlight this. Maybe I'll just highlight all of them, and not gonna just highlight all of this here. No, maybe this one here. Start from here to here. Click here. Convert to number. Go here. Click here. Convert to number. And click here. Convert to number. Okay. So here we go. So that's 30 and 50. So now if a person's salary is this, and it seems like all is the same. I'm gonna just do for oleh majikan, share majikan, share jumlah cadangan. So I think this is just 50 cents plus that. Jumlah cadangan oleh majikan saja would be share majikan is this one. Seems like it's a share majikan 70 cents. This is another type. I'm not quite sure, but let's just talk about these two. Let's say this two column is not needed. I just right click and hide. Okay, so now with this two, now if a salary person is 2,800, what is the share majikan for 2,800? So you look at here, 2,800. It's right here. So you highlight this by shift spacebar, highlight them, and the share majikan is 49. But wait, is this share majikan or this is share majikan? No. You can't see it. You have to go back and see, right? What you can do is that you select the row tree and look at view tab and choose freeze pane, and there you are. You can go for it. You can check this easily. Now that is one way. If you don't like this method, unfreeze it. What you can do is that there is also a split pane. Okay, so right here, split pane, and this is where you can get this. See that? So you can highlight this, and this is another way. Maybe you want to see this. They are all from the same worksheet, but the thing is that they are not. You can adjust it as and you want. If you use the freeze pane, it's not. You always, once you fix it, that's it. But this one you can adjust it. Click and drag. And not only that, split pane can also highlight this again, or maybe this here, and then you choose. Oh wait, I think there is. All right. There is another split pane that you can also split on this here. Let me see. This is click here. Yeah, see that there's a split pane. See, you can split here. It's the same. Yeah, highlight this and check this. Split again, and you can click and drag. Okay, split pane, free pane, edit. And when you do a split pane, however, is that okay, click on this, you can split pane. Now, if you do a split pane like this and you print it out, and you notice that it actually print not the whole worksheet anymore. It prints like that. See that? So this is one of the challenge faced by my student. She asked me how to print outside. How to print? Just Control P, you can print. But as you show me a document with the split pane, then I immediately know that, oh, it's a split pane. So what you do is that you just click on the split pane, remove it, and now Control P, you can print everything in the 2 pages or even lesser. Right? You can just adjust it, highlight this. Hopefully you can bring everything here. No, not yet. I mean, you just can just change it. Yeah, change it. Control P, and now everything is in one page, and you can adjust it as a unique. So thank you for watching. I hope in this video you learn how to uh, use the Power Query from source web to download any data, any public data that you can find, and use Power Query get web to help you. And after that, you can further cleanse the data. So it was originally like this, yeah. And with this data, you can, right? You still can. The thing is that if you want to clean it, then of course you can use what I show you that method. Yeah, it's a few steps, and you can of course you can improve the steps. This is not the only solution, so it's a reference for you. I hope this is useful for you, and God bless you. God bless Asia.